Cats are great cuddlers and love to snuggle with their favorite people. However, they sometimes take a break, leaving their humans confused. Here are 6 reasons why cats might choose to keep their distance. When cats are stressed, they can act differently. Signs of stress include going to the bathroom outside the litter box, eating less, and wanting less cuddling. They may also groom themselves too much, leading to hair loss. Cats often hide when they are not feeling well, making it hard to tell if they are sick. They may drink more or less, withdraw from interaction, and have litter box issues. Cats often avoid cuddling when it's hot and humid. Even those that usually sleep next to their humans take breaks on hot days, even with the air conditioner on. Some cuddle for a bit, then sneak off to cooler spots when their owner falls asleep. This behavior does not mean there's anything wrong. It just shows your cat prefers a cooler environment. As cats get older, they may cuddle less. It's normal for them to want more alone time. Some cats may avoid cuddling because they are in pain. Conditions like arthritis can make moving uncomfortable, leading them to stay away from physical contact. Cats have their own preferences for being handled. Some like to be held tightly, while others prefer to be free to leave. Some enjoy long cuddle sessions, while others only want quick snuggles. Cats sometimes need space when they are feeling bothered. If a pet sitter has been around, they might not want to cuddle afterward. After a visit to the vet, some cats also avoid cuddling because they feel upset. So not all cats enjoy cuddling, and it can be confusing when those that do suddenly stop. Stress and illness might cause this change, but sometimes it's just the weather.